Cool, so now we're going to see how to add an element to map, how to delete a map element. So if we have m, and what's this design pattern, or what's this, coding kind of convention, this code convention called that I'm using here. So I have a map, a string, and then I'm going to put the values in. What's that coding convention called, what I just am using there? Does anybody remember the name? It's a composite literal, right? So we have the type, and then we have curly braces, and we'll put the values in. So for a map, I would say James and Martini and Jenny and Manhattan. And so that's how I enter my values, and I can .println m, and that would print it out. And we could also do a composite literal for a slice. So a slice of string and be a slice of string, so the type, and then the values. And those values could be like James, Jenny, and they could be on many lines, or I could have them on one line. You have to have the trailing comma if you're on many lines. Trailing comma is optional if you're on one line. So that's composite literal, just so that you're getting the terminology. Right? Okay. And then to add a value to my map at this index position, right? I want that to be equal to some value. What's Jack drink? Jack drinks Jack Daniels. And now let's see if I did that right. Because it's been a bit. CD space .. takes me up into 0.22. Go run main. And notice my values came out different, right? And if I printed this many times, I get different values. Nope, they're all the same, but if I ranged over them, I would. So that's how I add a value to a map. And I gotta look at the syntax for delete, because I just haven't done it. Delete map name key. There we go. So to delete from M, Jack. So now Jack got deleted. Right? This is after the deletion. So let's take a minute and create a map and add a value to a map, and then delete a value from a map. How many people like coding it? Raise your hand. You see it, you code it. See it, code it. Okay.